Haha, u is echt een goede camera-mogol.
Het is de ideale schoonzoon.
Het laag.
How build APC?
Zo, dat is wel echt dikke ram, hè?
Power supply in it. We have thingy for.
Okay, go and build.
Oh no! First, we're gonna put the processor in the motherboard. You need to put this in here.
It's the hard knock life for us. It's the
Very
hard knock
careful.
life for us. Stand treated.
I'm looking how it goes in.
That's what she said.
It's a i3 8th Gen Intel. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna put this inside it. There. So it's like stuck. Yes, yes. Nice English. We have the RAM. 8 and a stick of 4, so it makes 12. Yes, yes. From my friend Damien, he is filming.
Fortnite geluidje om de glue. Maar mijn bier is bijna op, ik wil een nieuwe. Mama bord.
Because old stuff needs a second life. Inside of. We still need to like fix this little issue. Yes.
What are we doing, Herm?
I am connecting the cables, the keyboard.
Dit is de vlog.